My name is Jan. I teach motion design. I'm a filmmaker, an animator, a graphic designer, and my favorite filmmaker is David Lynch. Motion design is an art form that combines the languages of film and animation and graphic design by bringing together a variety of different elements like illustration, abstract shapes, video footage, typography, and then these elements are then animated or moved in a way that tells a story. Usually you're trying to entertain someone, or you're trying to inform someone, teach someone about something, or sell a product. And often one of the best ways to do this is through motion design because it uses so many different elements. Our motion design course here at the Open Window explores both digital animation and traditional animation techniques, puppetry, motion graphics, compositing. We do TV channel inserts, movie title sequences, animated infographics, visual effects. Students are immersed in a hands-on experience pretty much from day one. And whether they're studying traditional animation, stop-motion animation, or computer-aided 3D and 2D design, they're already working on those kinds of, through those kinds of disciplines pretty much from day one at the Open Window. In terms of the yearly outline for motion design, we start off in the first year doing stop-motion animation and puppetry. And then we move from there into digital animation. We have students working in software on computers and doing 2D and 3D character animations. And then in the second year, we do things like title sequences for films, and we do motion infographics, which then illustrate different products or different ideas, concepts. And then in the third year, we focus more on trying to develop the individual style of each of the students. And we incorporate more 3D design into their production workflow and try to get them to work with complex data through information visualization and then creating abstract motion graphic experiences through projection mapping. The motion designer is a fairly rare breed because they have to combine a lot of different skills. They have to combine their abilities with animation, with their graphic design skills. They need to be able to compose images. They need to be able to animate them in a realistic or an appealing way. They also need to be able to work with video. They need to be able to edit videos. They need to be able to be cinematographers for the animations that they're doing. So it really it combines a lot of skills and a lot of technical skills as well. They have to know the software. They have to be able to work with software that is continually changing. So it's really for people who enjoy a challenge and enjoy working with things that are constantly changing. The motion designer needs to be an all-rounder at the end of the day. And as a motion designer, as an all-rounder, it makes it a lot easier for them to get work in the industry or even work for themselves. Some of the motion design related jobs that one can get is as a motion graphics artist, as a 2D animator, motion designer, a software artist. Perhaps they've decided they really enjoy working in Cinema 4D or After Effects or something like that. They could become a software generalist or a front-end designer. They could design animations for mobile applications, become a user interface artist, work in broadcast graphic design. And then after a while, they might even work their way up to art director or creative director, CG artist, compositing artist. There's a lot of places you can go with motion design.